Well, here we are again. Looks like we're back to 50% wet rides. It was all looking so good for the last couple of days. We'll go round Shillingstone. A bit quieter along there. It's a housing estate. Castle Lane is just crazy. It's not too bad actually from here, but down past the schools and Castle Point, there's just entrances, lights, crossings. Yeah, that's all right, you've seen us, you're slowing down. Yeah, just so much going on everywhere.
Good morning. Wheels at large. We're out again.
Bloody raining again.
I brought that moany person with me. Day 8.
I thought we were going to have a nice dry ride on road bikes. Get it done nice and quick. Oh well, there we go, such is life. See, what Bournemouth does have, there's lots of these little cut-throughs that you can use. So even though the bike paths are as pants as anywhere else in the world, or some of them are, you do have these alternatives. So this is Red Hill Drive, up towards Ensbury Park.
Is it nice and dry?
Yes, I like this one.
So we're on day 8 and it's raining.
Okay. Oh, well.
Yeah, I got all ready on my road bike last night.
You were ready to get on your steed and look for some oomph, weren't you?
I was.
You wanted oomph last night. I
Yeah.
said, come on, and she said, no, 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 no. I mean, get out on the road bike and look for some oomph.
Where's my oomph?
Don't worry, we'll find it. I've just worked out why I felt good going up Ripon Road. Strong tailwind. That's now turned into a strong headwind. However, because I told myself, cool, I'm feeling good today, I'm still feeling good. Oh, by the way, this is Boundary Road that goes past Glenmore School. Now, I know this wouldn't have been built for most of you because this was finished end of the 80s. I remember the work being done here. This goes from Ensbury Park up to the university, which was once upon a time Wallasdown College. The amount of development that's been done since the university, I think there's only one building left that I remember.
Bike path. From the university down to Glen Avenue. Yeah, who ordered the rain? Don't want rain. I think we're into the wind. Because with being on Mike's back wheel, but I end up getting yuckied. Technical term that, yuckied. I blame you, you know.
Always. That's what I'm here for.
You jinxed it.
I did.
You talked about it yesterday on the camera.
Now, Judy's been on a commuter bike for the whole of this challenge. It's got full mud guards. Keeps the bike really clean actually, keeps her clean. She'll ride it in any weather, it doesn't matter. It can be absolutely torrential. It's only 1.8 miles to work. She's got a full sort of dry suit, if you like. Actually, you know, for 1.8 miles it works just fine. But I have found a flaw with it. Even though it's full mud guards, it does kick up quite a lot of spray at the back. So if you're following her, it's not so good. I might have to fit a mud flap as well.
I bought myself a new WAHO to replace the one that was delaminating on the front, because the more rain there is, the worse it was getting. So I bought a new one, and last night I set it all up, got all the power meter and everything on the road bike, ready to come out this morning to have all my little sections filled. And it's raining, so I'm not on the right bike. So I've still got empty areas on my WAHO. Bought myself a ticker, heart rate monitor. So I'm using that for the first time. It's on my arm, not my ribs. Old Christchurch Road. There's Mackie D's. And yeah, I've got a new WAHO. There it is. Too close, I expect. The wind is swirling around us this morning. 1 minute it's whipping you from the side, and next it's behind you, pushing you along. Woo!
This is Christchurch Road, between the Lansdowne and Boscombe Gardens. We'll turn right and go along the cliff, and things should be quieter out there, and we might have a tiny bit of wind behind going across the cliff. We spoke about that yesterday. Let's see if it's true.
Sure that this heart rate monitor is picking up the right settings. It's telling me I'm at 154, which
Climb.
I'm not even out of breath. It can't possibly do that. I've put this jacket on today, and it does feel quite roomy.
Good. Is that good? I said it was good. Is it good?
I'm not even going to talk to you.
Now, come on, tell me why.
I think I've got less baggage around my hips. That's what I was going to say.
So it is good.
It is good.
Oh, so I got it right, but I still got it wrong somehow.
What do you like? Just for the record, this is Boscombe Overcliff. And it's dark.
We'll be going past Fisherman's Walk in a minute.
We got wind behind as well.
I think we have still a crosswind, but it's certainly helping.
It's helping me.
Yeah.
Helping me get rid of my baggage around my hips. Oh, it's whipping round us. Right to the side of the bike.
I'm at the deck chair roundabout. I might have got a little bit carried away there. I did look back a couple of times and see her light. So I think everything's okay. There was a wheelie bin in the road back there, but it was clear to see, even though it's black. Light. It was quite gusty, so I think she would have slowed right down for the corners. No. Oh yeah, there she is. I was just getting to that point where I was thinking, no, she should be here by now. Here we go. Well done.
wheelie bin.
Oh, you moved the wheelie bin. But it was half on the road, half on the pavement when I saw it.
Oh no, it's right in the middle of the road. We've done 11 miles, yes. We've done 11 miles and we are at, oh, where's the time on here? 6:23. So we've been going for 52 minutes. Where are we going here? I can't see where we're going. Don't know where we are. Where are we? Where are we?
Iford Lane.
Iford Lane. Oh, okay. How did we get here?
Yes, Julie's geographical insight is legendary. Amongst everybody we ride with. Most of them just nod and say yes. That could be the problem actually, because she thinks she's right all the time. Iford Roundabout. Seems a bit too quiet. Feels like a trap. No, it really is that quiet. Maybe even the car drivers have looked out the window and thought, not today. I think I'll stay in bed for an extra 10 minutes. So this is Queen's Park Avenue, heading away from the golf course and towards the Five Ways. It's amazing how these roads and these junctions have just grown so much bigger and busier in the last, well, I was going to say 20 years, but actually it feels more like 10. The amount of cars on the road has just exploded, I feel, in the last 10 years. I don't know how the stats stack up with that, but yeah. I guess we've been fortunate to be riding through this process because we get used to the traffic. And you get a feel, don't you, for what's going on, what people are thinking, are they looking, what's happening. Obviously the unexpected, you've got to be ready for that. But generally speaking, we're both pretty confident in traffic.
So it's properly raining now.
Yeah, we need to get home, get in the shower to dry off. It's raining that hard.
It is. If you've watched this far into the video, thank you for watching us. Click the like button and join us for day 9.
It's better bloody be dry. I really want it to be dry. I've had enough of this. Wakey wakey everyone.